So like close up. Go.
Oh yeah, who's court? See.
Oh my.
First pack. First pack?
First pack.
First pack.
Hey, you can still get a Pharaoh's Urn.
Oh yeah, it takes
I
up an
guess
ultra
it-
rare. Yeah.
I pulled a CR and a Pharaoh's out of a box.
Here we go.
Oh, this is nice actually. Ooh. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Is this
The
all you
first
have?
pack. That's it. End of the video. See you guys.
Yeah, see you guys. Alright.
Well, one is like they're just common and they're pretty bad condition. Usually for Pokemon, the only thing I buy is old school hollows. So like the original,
Yeah.
like stuff like this.
It's 4 ultras, right?
I do
Yeah.
like these.
This is count as an ultra?
I think that does take up a spot.
These like ultra rare. So like a
Who knows? You can get a cracked box.
Who knows?
This episode
think
is
that might
like
be so.
common. I don't really buy them. Sorry about that. Anything else?
Yeah, I need to.
Oh yeah, those are spicy. Those are hard to get.
I'm gonna be like, Cleo, how much would you do for me for the rest of the open box? I'm gonna be like, how much would you do for the rest of the open box?
You don't know how to do math on this?
Do the math. There's no steps. Count with your fingers.
Let's just start
Yeah.
counting.
That's right, I still count with my fingers.
Just buy a Gen Impact box.
Oh, they announced the premiere event for Dawn of Majesty.
How much?
It'd be 42.
I'd sit it out. If I'm already, just cause like if I'm already spending that much, I might as well get a whole box. Brand new.
I understand. I agree with you. I need to check on my box. Too early, right?
They're gonna get delivered like right now.
That'd be nice.
That would be nice.
Oh. Hey, hold on to that for me. I'll buy it off you.
Really?
Yeah. Just wait for it to go down to like $5. I'll buy it
I
off.
mean, you know, I kind of need one. Oh, I thought that was it.
Dude, I would've
Yeah, I was just giving that to you.
kill you.
That's 2 ultras.
Ooh, scratch card. The card was expensive, and then it just. There you go, shuffle. This will be the first card.
Again.
This will be the first card that you pull out again.
I just pulled it back and that one's
Yeah.
empty.
Oh.
Thumbnail is gonna say I'm not the Joker. I'm the fool.
I'm the fool. Yeah, kind of just a impromptu video. Oh, dude, this looks like lightning stuff.
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
like, I
It
can see
does.
I'm like-
That does look like lightning strike a little bit.
Yeah. So where are we at? Where are we at, guys? Where are we?
Where we at? We're like,
No, where are we?
what do you mean?
Like,
We're at
Our location.
We're at Papi Cleo's game store.
Papi Juancho.
you know,
Have the 50 cents for this.
there we go. There we go. Oh. Thanks, man. Thanks. It's like the box knows the recording, puts everything at last, except for this. So
Speed run.
speed run.
Leo speed run.
So I can eat lunch.
Which one, sorry? Oh, this one's not for sale.
This one's
This one's on
slow.
hold for somebody. But I sold it
Leo,
for
see that?
145.
Leo? Oh. I got 2 though.
Take
So,
care.
you still got how many packs? This is 4.
4, I got 2 more ultras. Or my secret, my Pharaoh rare.
This does have Pharaoh rares in them.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh.
I'm getting more. I haven't received my full order yet.
So he does still have a chance to get a Pharaoh's rare. Or a secret Pharaoh's rare. This case is confirmed to have it.
I'm still waiting on
Ooh.
these cases.
They were packs? 4 more packs?
2 so far. So they're being
How much is
shipped
this
in
right now?
faster than somewhere else.
I just saw
You
it.
this?
No, I have the gold rare. Can't believe they reprinted Constellar.
Oh, me, I was playing like Dragon Age Green for a bit, and once I got banned, I was like, oh.
Out of the way.
Yeah.
It says they're out for delivery, that they should be delivered by 7 p.m. Hopefully they come sooner.
Got 2 more packs.
I'm an ultra.
Hopefully. 2 packs, 1 more ultra, 1 more secret. What do you mean? Oh,
This one.
who knows? Maybe crack box or what? 5 ultras.
5 ultras? That'd be crazy, right? Would that be crazy, right?
For the cards. Team D2, King's Court, box opening. You already know what's good.